Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Woo, yes, this week we are going to talk about a new hair gel that I happen to find on the Instagram. So, if you guys want to know about the gel that is in my hair and it's been in my hair for the past 2 months, stay tuned. We interrupt this program to talk to you about the blackepilogue.com. All right, the blackepilogue.com is a very new website all about black empowerment, all hand-drawn original art t-shirts. Right now I am wearing one from the Phenomenally collection. It's called the Fro. This shirt, super duper comfortable. It has just the coolest print ever. Pricing $24 a shirt, and it's all local art. It's from a young lady here in St. Louis, Missouri. Happen to know her personally because she's my niece. So I want you guys to go to the blackepilogue.com. You guys can see a lot of really cool shirts. I'm going to have them up here on the screen. All great pricing, beautiful art. Like I said, it's all hand drawn. So you guys need to get over there, get you a shirt. They're all comfortable cotton, good cotton too. This is good cotton. And also, if you're down for that, you know, that black empowerment, get you a shirt. Okay. And now back to your regular scheduled programming. Okay. Well, I happen to be perusing the Instagram and I saw that Main Choice came out with a brand new set of products. We're looking at 3, 4, 5, 6 new products called the A-Maz-Zon Hair Day products, and found on Amazon only. So I said, wait a minute, Amazon, Main Choice, I'm on my way. So went straight to Amazon, made an order, but I didn't buy all 6 products. Only got the main attraction for me, which was the A-Maz-Zon Hair Day Perfectly Polished Gel. Well, I'm sorry, Super Smooth and Extreme Gleam Perfectly Polished Gel. It's right here, 12-ounce jar here. Let's see. I did my normal wash routine, but with the shampoo and conditioner, I use the Cheers Collection shampoo and conditioner. Sometimes I did use my Wash Day shampoo from Carol's Daughter. For my deep conditioner, I use the Manuka honey and Mafura oil deep conditioner from Shea Moisture. My oil and my leave-in was from the Melon Hair Care line, and we styled hair with the A-Maz-Zon hair gel. And let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys. I am just about out of this. I mean, literally today was the last. That's pretty much it. I mean, so I'm like almost out. So like I said, I've been using it for like 2 months. So I said, well, let me go ahead, let me get this video out before this gel is gone. Well, this is what is in my hair right now, as you guys can see. I redid my hair this morning actually, so I can get this video out, because I'm gonna tell you, if y'all saw my hair yesterday, Nelly, it was time to redo my hair. I could actually stretch the gel probably a good 2-3 days, and then after a while it starts to break up and flake. Then it's time to go ahead and just like redo your hair. So I was able to wash, condition everything, even co-washing the gel out of my hair. It actually came out very smoothly. No problems whatsoever with the gel. I like the gel. I like how it glide into my hair smoothly. There is a cast, like a lot of gels. Like right here, it is stiff. It is stiffity stiff. In one picture, you're gonna see my hair is half up, half down. This gel actually helped mold the up part, and I didn't have to use like another gel just to put my hair up. This gel did the work for me, so I didn't have to do anything extra. That's what I really liked about the gel. It's actually a really great price point. I'll have the link below for it from Amazon. I'm going to actually put all 6 products in the link below, even though I did not use all 6. I just want to just use the gel. I'm trying not to buy so many hair products. We're sheltering at home. Do we need all these hair products? I mean, really, do we need a shampoo and conditioner for every gel? Not really. As long as you got a good shampoo and a good conditioner, you're fine. And like the Cheers collection, the shampoo and conditioner was pretty good, so I was able to use that. Like I said, I really like this gel. I like how my hair moved with it, as you guys can see, and as you all see the pictures that were scrolling earlier. And the good thing what I like is I could just spray water on my hair. It activated very quickly, and then I was able to get my hair back to the way it was the day before, or sometimes even better than the way it was the day before. Sometimes day 2 hair turned out to be a lot better than day 1, so I did like that. All right, let's get on to the inevitable question. Would I buy this gel again? Yes, actually I would buy the gel again. I actually really liked the gel. I thought it was a really good gel to use. Like I said, I was able to even put half of my hair up with the gel without having to go get an eco styler or anything to do my edges or anything. It all worked out. Actually, like I said, I really liked this product, and yeah, I would buy it again. Plus the price wasn't crazy. That was something else that I liked. It wasn't a crazy price, so I really liked how it maneuvered. And even like day 2, day 3 hair didn't even look bad either. I'm like scratching because I don't know. It's getting late. It's actually 9 o'clock at night, and I have to edit this video and get it to you guys in time. We gonna see how that works. But yeah, it's like I said, the gel is really good. I like how it worked in my hair, and yes, I would actually highly recommend it too. And that is it for this video. I am all done. I know this was a very quick review because it was just on the gel, so I didn't really, it wasn't a whole lot to tell you guys because the gel is a really good gel. I mean, what else can I say? I mean, it's a 12-ounce jar infused with biotin and vitamin C, D, and E. I think all of Main Choice's products have all of those, have those ingredients. That's why I like it. So that's really it. Nothing more to talk about. That's all. I can just tell you guys right here behind me, the black epilogue. That is the t-shirt I am wearing from the Phenomenally collection. I'm gonna get up so you guys can see it one more time. This is the Fro shirt right here. As you see, you guys, hopefully you guys can hear me. Let me just lift up the microphone so you guys can hear me. This is from the Phenomenally collection. I can't talk right now. And this is the Fro shirt. This shirt, designed by a wonderful designer, local designer here in St. Louis, who happens to be my niece. And this is all hand-drawn artwork. The shirt is a really great cotton. Guys, go out and get it. I'm gonna have the link below for you guys in the description box so you guys can go out and get it. No coupon code, sorry, we ain't doing all of that. So click the link below, wear the shirt. I put a picture up yesterday. If you guys saw my 720s, worked very well with this shirt. It was a fun day. So you guys, if y'all have any questions, talk to me below about the product, about the shirts. Oh yeah, talk to me below. I'll have everything linked below. And that is all. Don't forget to go to my blog, Sneakers and Handbags. Have a new post up. Try to put up a new post about every week, every couple of weeks. Don't forget that. My PoshMark closet is still open, so you guys go, make sure you hit that. Go to Black Epilogue, get you a shirt, that black empowerment, and I'm out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.